Hi, my students. Today we are going to take lesson 3, unit 9, lesson 3. Now I want to draw some of the items on the board. Who can tell me what is this? Who can tell me what is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. Now, how many apples are there on the picture? How many apples are there? So we ask with how many. If you want to know the number of things, of items, we have to ask with how many. How many? How many apples are there? How many apples are there? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. There are 3 apples. 3 apples. This is a fig. This is a fig. Fig means in Arabic how many figs are there? Or what can you see here on the board here? There is 1 fig. I can see 1 fig. 1. So with 1 we use is. We use is. With 2 or 3 we have to use are. We have to use are. These are called nuts. We can have or eat nuts when we want to watch TV or when you are free or after we do our homework. So how many nuts are there? 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 There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 nuts. There are 5 nuts. olive. Olive. Olive means in Arabic how many olives can you see or are there? How many olives? How many olives can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 olives. 4 olives. Sweet. Sweet, it means how many sweets are there? How many sweets are there? How many sweets are there? Who can tell me? Who can count? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sweets. There are 3 sweets. So, if we want to ask about the number, you have to ask with how many. How many olives are there? How many olives are there? There are 6 olives. How many figs are there? There are 8 figs there. How many cakes are there? Cakes. How many cakes are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cakes. There are 4 cakes. How many cakes I can see here? Or can you see here? There is 1 cake. There is 1 cake. Now open your pupils book at page 27, exercise 2. Ask and answer. Ask and answer. Now, what can you see here in the pictures? What are these? What are these? This is what? This is nuts. These are nuts. Nuts in Arabic means now we want to ask how many nuts can you see or are there in the picture here. So we are going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many nuts are there? There are 14 nuts. How many, or what can you see here? Here. This is what? This is sweets. This is called sweets. How many sweets are there? How many sweets are there? We have to count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21 sweets. There are 21 streets. Now what is this? It's a kind of a fruit. It is fig. This is figs. Figs means in Arabic how many figs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 figs. How many cakes are there? How many cakes are there? There is one. One cake. Now, I want you now, before we finish the lesson, I want you now to sum the following numbers. 6 plus 6 equals, so we have 6 plus 6, we have, it becomes what? 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 3 plus 8 equals 11. 20 plus 1 equals 21. And that's all, my students. Goodbye.